Brain Nectar, and today I wanted to reach out to the Unity community on YouTube or wherever this is shared and ask you guys some questions. But first, let me show you my build. This is, of course, using Kenny's assets. Kenny is like a god of the open source and free assets. He's just producing and drilling them out, and I don't think enough people thank him. So this is what we have so far. Um, it's my little alien man, and I should play. Well, I'll show you. Okay, and for some reason, it sticks on the menu, which it shouldn't. Thought I fixed that. Hold on. Hmm. I thought I fixed that. Okay, so I had this set up to where if I hit escape, it would pop up the menu and it wouldn't do this. Maybe it's because I put this here. Maybe this doesn't need to be here. Let's try that one more time. Oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, that didn't need to be in there. So this is my build so far. The animations I haven't figured out how to do perfectly. As you can see, he does like face where he needs to, but the legs and arms don't quite move in an animated way. And the camera does not follow the player yet. I'm trying to set up a way to do that. And the objective I tried to set up, but it hasn't connected with the next level for some reason. But one thing that did work is the death animation does work. Of course, it does kind of copy for some reason. I don't know if that's a glitch or if that's me doing something wrong. Here, it looks like it follows the player, sort of, but that could be the mirrored effect of the two players. I'm not sure what it's doing wrong there. Alright, so that's so to the Unity community, I wanted to ask you guys, what exactly am I doing wrong with like the player's camera not following it, and also let's see, what's up with my my menu system? So this is the camera follow player thing I've made, and it's supposed to have said scene right beside the assets tab here, but that doesn't pop up. Some people were saying I need to reinstall Bolt, but I don't know if I'll lose all this coding, all these flow macros I've made, and I don't want to lose those. I don't know if I can export those to re-import later. I'm still really new to the Unity engine. I could have a better HUD loader system. The HUD loader system I have is not great. It's not super effective for players to play this game. And here's some of the macros I've made so far for all the movement and the flipping. There's a lot of, you could call them like trees connected to each other. The animator and the jump. A lot of boxes. And I prefer this way over the line scripting, or at least I did try the line scripting, but I couldn't quite get into it right away. I'm more of a visual learner or thinker, so this works a little bit better for me. It also reminds me of the node system in Blender, which is why I like it. So that's what I have so far, and I'm just having trouble with the camera not following the player, the objective flag not working properly, and like the levels maybe not loading in properly. I'd appreciate any help if you guys knew anything, so we can maybe learn this together. Alright, hey, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.